Accounting, automating accounting to ease your inventory management. Optimize how you keep your accounts records and manage every aspect of your business with the artificial intelligence powered accounting tool. Automating and simplifying your accounting. Keeping track of your inventory and accounts has never been that easy. Onpassive Accounting is an artificial intelligence enabled tool built to specifically simplify and automate the tedious tasks of bookkeeping and inventory management. This online accounting software is designed to be the one-stop solution for any business. Accounting is easy to use and to understand, a user-friendly interface that gives easy access while keeping every data secure. With customizable features to suit your business needs, the accounting tool can be expanded to track the accounting needs of multiple branches with ease. Capable of handling huge data sets, accounting is the perfect accounting tool to skip manual errors and maintain every record effortlessly. Suitable for every business size, accounting helps you keep track of each transaction and builds a robust database you can lock back at any time you need. Accounting is an online accounting software as a service developed by Onpassive. The software is dedicated to providing the users with a one-stop solution for accounts and their information. The users of accounting have an account equipped with all types of accounting tools. Accounting is web-based accounting software that enables the users to maintain a record of sales, purchase orders, invoices, chart accounts, cost centers within a well-designed dashboard, making it easy for the user to navigate while logged in. The USP of accounting enables the users to take care of multiple accounts concerning locations and companies. Each location of the operating branches has access to the main account, thereby making it easy for the users to maintain a daily record. Accounting is a software service that promises the users to make the update to order processing details. It helps the users to view account receiving details and payment details. It enables the user to view inventory details and update wise branch accounting. It helps the user to select multiple currency and update taxation, which further helps in the successful functioning of accounting, which has a great future in the long run. This is Robert Tantullo, your fellow legacy leader and proud Onpassive founder.